Hi, first grade team. Here's a little refresher on pulling reports out of Fastbridge that you may want to share at parent conferences. So once you log into Fastbridge, you just click on reporting, and what you're going to want to do next is find the data from the screenings that we did back in September. So the best place to look is under individual skills report, and you can go and click on early reading English. And when you scroll to the bottom, you have to make sure that you select the interval for fall, and then click on Generate Report. And then that's going to bring up a listing of all the different tests that we did on your students. So you'll see the sentence reading, you'll see decodable words, and you'll see the sight word report and word segmenting on each of your students. So it'll show you the correct items, incorrect items, their miscues. And this is great information if you want to share this for parent-teacher conferences. Just remember, though, this is a little bit old, so students will have made progress since then. If you do want to print this out to share, you can go up to Print Report up here, and then just click on the Fastbridge, and it'll open up this window. And you're going to want to click on the PDF down here and Open in Preview. Once you do that, it opens this up in the PDF view, and it's just going to take a couple seconds to prepare your report. And it is going to be quite a few pages. And then you can just come down to the bottom and click Print, and it'll print it out for you. If you have any questions, please let me know.